And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing this Blackberry Bold. I think it's the 9630 if I remember right. I already have one of these. This one's in poor shape. So we're going to go and drop test it. So it's going to start with the backdrop in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, maybe hit along the sides of the phone. Yeah, I see right down there. And a little bit right there. Nothing too bad. Let's go and do the corner drop. I think this corner looks less scuffed on that side. In 3, 2, 1. So there's the new marks from where it hit. Looks to be in decent shape still. Back cover is still on. Just a little bit of marks right there on the side from the damage. Let's go and do a drop test on the top corner. In 3, 2, 1. Woo. Oh no, I dropped it again. Okay, well, that's kind of a fail. Right here's where it hit the first time. And then I kind of dropped it. It slid on the face maybe, or on the back. I don't know. But let's go and do the face down drop. In 3, 2, 1. Woo. Landed right on this rock too. It looks pretty good, I would say. Let's go ahead and do the throw test. In 3, 2, 1. So the battery and the back cover came off. This battery actually goes to my other Blackberry. So, pretty sure we got some damage there maybe. Up here looks to be new. And the way it dented that plastic. I want to get the screen to shatter. So it's going to do a drop where it kind of lands on the screen. Pretty strong. I can see the LCD did crack. I don't know if you could see that, but I see a line right here through the LCD. So I'm going to do a skid test. So I'm going to just take it. I'm going to slide it across the asphalt like this. Woo. So here we go. Got some heavy indents from the pavement. Let's go and do it again with my better hand. Try to make it all the way over there. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, let me go grab that. So here we are. That one definitely scratched the screen. A whole bunch of marks up here. Down here on the keypad, the trackball seems to still work. Let's go ahead and try to break the screen again. In 3, 2, 1. That might have cracked. That was loud. No, still nothing. LCD is definitely broken now, I can see. You might be able to see that little black spot from a rock. Definitely shattered. So let me swap hands again and maybe try it with my better hand. Maybe I can do it that way. Alright, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, guys, the phone quit recording by accidentally pressed the volume button, but it hit. Didn't crack. Oh, it kind of cracked the screen finally. Right there. Actually, I think it's plastic. But it cracked. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.